Hi, this is Jason from SAshares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 Forex brokers with floating or variable spreads. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Firstly, what are floating spreads? Floating or variable spreads are essentially the difference in the ask and bid prices that may vary depending on the current market situation, while fixed spreads remain the same even though the prices change. Floating spreads accurately reflect the various prices of trading instruments and how quickly those prices are changing. Now let's jump into the top 5 brokers with floating spreads. Coming in first at number 5 on the list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM ultra low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative account balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live stream, and free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 4 on the list, we have Go Markets. Go Markets is an online, fully regulated Australian financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Standard and Go Plus accounts, with up to 9 base tradable currency options, a variety of market instruments and trading tools, lower leverage, and more. Go Markets also provides their very own Trading Academy, which covers beginner's guides to Forex trading, free Forex educational courses, an educational video library, as well as their Inner Circle weekly group coaching sessions, which you can sign up to if you are looking for more in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 3 on the list, we have FPMarkets. FPMarkets is another Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with over 50 tradable market instruments and commodity options, lower leverage, access to their mobile application, tighter spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FPMarkets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, their own economic calendar, technical and fundamental analysis panels, as well as a few ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies. Coming in at number 2 on the list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading. Multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And at last but not least, coming in at number 1, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative account balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's Web Trader. And for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, and many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 best Forex brokers with floating spreads on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SAshares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.